Yeah, so like we wanted to know, no, like why, what is the significance of this, and like why and how it started. Hey guys, welcome back to another fresh video. So like the plan for today is, you know, tomorrow. हाँ तो हाँ हाँ हो जाओ राव राव. Yeah, so tomorrow is Sonjao, so like we'll be going to Shivolim. We are going now because there's some tradition before that. And my granny is having oats. She was not well, like for almost like 2 weeks. She got a stroke, but now like she's a bit stable as compared to before. So that's why I did not you know, make a lot of videos also these days. Yeah, so like yesterday I made one, and today like we are going to Shivolim. So I already mounted like most of my stuff on the thing bike. I'll just get into the helmet. I'll just feed my, and then I'll get on the bike. Yes, so we are back on our bikes. Yeah, so we are ready to leave. Like Joylon is accompanying me. He is a friend of mine. Like his brother is also my friend. So like we are going right now to Shivolim. So like it's very famous over there, the way they celebrate Sonjao. So you know, I also did not want to like take my this thing backpack on my back. So I just mounted it on that this thing only, a bike. I put that crawl net. So up till now the weather is, you know, good. I hope it does not rain, because if it rains I'll put my camera inside. Like I'm looking forward, you know, to make like really good videos of especially Sonjao, because like it's very far and going over there should be worth it. Even if like, you know, I get to jump in some well and all, I'll be doing it, because like for a long time I wanted to, but I did not get the opportunity here. So it's like going to be like I think 1.5 hour of journey, 1 hour 45 minutes approx, if we get traffic. Yeah, and this is like, you know, the first monsoon ride. A lot more to come. Mucha. So we are not taking the main highway because because this thing of because of the traffic. So from here we'll be going to Kuttorim, and from Kuttorim we'll take the bypass, and then we'll directly go towards Panjim. And you know, like I just remembered that I had those rain protectors also, the rain shoe protectors, but I forgot to wear them, and I carried only like one pair of the same shoes. I'm sure this will get bad by the time I reach Shivolim. Like Joylon already has one point of contact in Shivolim, so he'll be like showing us the traditions over there which are being followed. But I asked the official page of Shivolim this thing Sonjao, but they are saying that they were saying that there is no tradition today. We'll see how it goes. But just look at how beautiful it looks during the rains. Like entire landscape is green. It looks so good. You know, like since this is my first ride of the monsoon, like I am getting a bit scared to take turns, like especially this thing sharp turns, because I still don't have that much confidence on the bike as of this monsoon. But I think by the time we reach Panjim, I'll overcome it, because you know, my tires are also like almost more than 50% is like worn out. So I was just checking yesterday. But if I'll do one, like, you know, short ride, like 800-900 kilometers up down, and after that I'll change my tires, because I have plans of traveling after the rains. So like because I'll travel for like, you know, 7-8 days maybe. So because of that I'll change my tires, but a bit later. I'm also feeling like really hungry.
because before this, right before this, like at 6 o'clock, I played a match and I came. Apparently we lost, but winning and losing is part of the game. Yeah, so I'm really hungry, but you know, we just started riding, and I don't want to break that chain of like, you know, stopping after like 20 minutes and then waiting to eat something. So I'll like stay for 1 hour, like ride a bit, and then we might stop. We reached the petrol pump now, so I'll just fuel up. I think both of us need to fuel up. After the elections, petrol is also gone like 1 rupee up in Goa. That was like, it was obvious, pretty obvious. Before the election they made it like 2 rupees down and then 1 rupee up. So it took us a while to do the payment, because Google Pay was like, you know, it was still saying processing and processing. So I used my other app and did this Google Pay. No, one day it will let me to wash the dishes somewhere. Looking at the clouds, it feels like it will rain. Like, you know, there is this belt of clouds if you look minutely, and it has started raining. So people are stopping to put on their raincoats. I think there's a lot of traffic in Panjim, and even this side there's a lot of traffic. Oh, I guess this is that party that's there. Yeah, the pre-Sonja party. Because Sonja has come on the Monday today, so most of the parties that I held are on Saturday, on this thing Sunday. Just look at the rush of people that's here. So the rain has started a bit heavy. So I'll just remove the camera over there only under the flyover. Yes, and we are finally in Shiolim. So we are not right exactly at the place where the event will be held, but we took one of his friends, so I think he'll be showing us around over here. So like some of the traditions have already begun here. So we are going to some other place. Like these are pre-Sonja traditions.
Yeah, so like, you know, this is how the tradition goes. So they put fire in a place.
Why you're doing this, no?
Yeah.
This is the tradition forward there. This we only do, and other are also heavy.
Yeah, so like we wanted to know, like why, what is the significance of this, and like why and how it started.
This is traditional. Since
Okay.
my childhood, my dad used to take us.
Okay.
Now the significance I heard is regarding killing of the Jews.
Okay.
It was started years back.
Okay.
Yeah, since my childhood I have been hearing that.
Oh.
So that tradition we have been following
Okay.
this tradition for a very long time.
Okay.
And I hope the younger generation will keep it alive.
Okay.
Okay, it shouldn't die down.
Okay, and like I heard you all are saying something. So what is that dialogue exactly?
That is regarding the killing of the Jews with those leaders. We have been doing like killing of the Jews.
Okay.
We that bonfire.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
So
Okay.
it's a significance regarding that.
Okay. Like very different from what we see. Like I have not seen anywhere in Goa. That like
No, it's going.
it's only in Shiolim.
In Sholim, mostly in Sholim.
Okay. Mainly in Shiolim. Oh, okay. Nice. Oh, it's nice that y'all like follow, like even y'all are trying to keep it alive also,
Yeah,
and like
yeah, we have
for the
to keep
future
this tradition
generation
alive.
also. Yeah.
And it has some significance, though
Okay.
I don't know the deeper
Yeah.
story about it.
Okay.
But there should be some significance should be there.
Yes. So like we met some really good people here. So like they are the villagers who are keeping the tradition alive. So they are right there. So I'll just go over there and I'll show you all what they are doing. So you all must have seen in the pre-clips like what they're exactly doing. I'll explain it. First we'll just see how the things are going on right here. Yeah, so like they lighten up the palm leaves like this. And so then they like with the bamboos they try and extinguish the fire. Okay, so like the main resemblance behind this is that they try and extinguish the fire, meaning they kill like Zudio. So I'm not sure what is the English name for it. I'll just tell you all that.
तुम्ही घराघरांनी वयतात आणि सगळ्यांक जागरण करतात.
जागरण करता म्हणजे आयज आमचे फाल्यां आमचे फेस्त तुमी सगळे या आतां फाल्यां सगळे रेडी जाय कधी करून कोण न्हे काजारी आहात न्हू तांकां आतां समज हांगासरलें चिडून वयता न्हू दुसऱ्या गांवांत तें आमकांय लागता पूण तितलें न्हू पूण तें घोवाच्या वतीन ताका लागता तुगे थोड्या गांवांत म्हणजे जायना तूं काय करूं यो फाल्यां फाल्यां यो
Yeah, so like uncle explained us most of the things, most of the tradition that's going on over here. So like really nice meeting uncle. So like now we are just going forward. So we'll check like some other traditions also, like similar practices, but we'll go in front and check.
Okay, I'm not saying it. So finish one.
Yes, so this is the vibe here. So like we are going with them now to the houses. Like we came from that place, and this is the Shivoli church, and so this is the area that tomorrow like all the activities and the floats will be here. So like we got to know a lot about it. I'll just when we stay at a good place I'll show you all, but this is like the stage setup, and this will be the entry I guess, and that's like the river from where the boats will come. So like if you look very minutely you will see that there's a snake in St. Anthony's hand. I'll just tell you the history behind it. I'll just go in front and show you. So this church right here, it's like constructed very newly. So it is said that when during the time when they were building the church, like it used to like demolish like every now and then. So someone like kept Saint Anthony statue over here, and after that some things happened, and the evil who was there, he was caught. So since then they named the church Saint Anthony. So like this is one of the miracle that you can say that happened right here. So I don't think there's anywhere else where you will see a Saint Anthony statue with a snake. So it's just over here. So like if you remember, uncle said, the uncle that we spoke to, he said that like boats come through here, like from Kalangut, I guess Chapora and all other places. So they come here, and he said that they put that kopel which is there on a cross. So this is the cross that they'll climb on and put that the kopel, that is the Sonjao kopel. So if you look at this place tomorrow, you will see how full it is. Just enjoy it now. It is very empty. There is no one. So like there'll be programs over here. I came here like I guess 6-7 years back. So the vibe here tomorrow will be like on a different level. Yeah, so we like came to this place that is Om Lawn. So like the ambience is good. We had food also, and like now we'll just go. I don't know where we'll be going next. So he's taking us to some places. By the way, he's Anthony Lobo. Video madam. Okay, he's a friend of like a mutual friend of his. So yeah, so like we'll go out now. Yeah. Yes, so like we like checked into a room over here because it wouldn't make sense that we go home and come tomorrow again over here because tomorrow is the main day. Today was just like the pre-Sonjao. So like some traditions that they follow over here. Yeah. So like we kept our bikes here and we got a room also. The place that we are staying is I guess Blue Arc or Blue J, something like that. Just a minute, I'll just tell you what it is. It's a Blue J, some secret this thing, a restaurant, secret homestay they said. It's not a homestay. It's like it's good. The place is good. Like even the rooms are really good. Yeah. So like. It's raining a bit here. Like I'll just go on top. I'll show you our room also. So like this is the room, and we have already made a mess over here. So this is like one storage area. There is a washroom over here. Like the bathroom is here, and this side we have the balcony. Yeah. So this is the balcony here. Not much of a view. But yeah, there is a balcony to our room. Yes, so like So now we have a surprise that we'll really be checking if this bag is waterproof or no. Because when I got it, they told me that it is waterproof. So I'll just check. It's soaking wet outside. I hope it's not dry. Shirt and all my clothes were in this. Like all my clothes in this are gone wet. Like for real, they are gone wet. Just see. Shit. Okay, anyways, there's fan over here. I'll put it for dry over here only. So this bag turned out to be a failure. I think the water has gone through the chain because like inside my things are all dry. See? Only I think it's gone through the chain. So I'll just have to take care of it while going home. Yeah. One good thing, but I'll just create the video outside. Yeah. So like one good thing that I really like about this tradition that they are following is that they like see for us mostly what we do is we follow our traditions. We don't teach like younger generation, like the kids especially we don't teach. But here they make sure that like leaving them, like children who are below 10, below 7 years, they are actually following the tradition because like they believe that the tradition was passed to them from their great grandfathers and grandmothers, and so they will also pass it to their like descendants. So that is one good thing that I liked over here, because they are encouraging like the younger generation to at least follow. Because see, earlier we used to go for carol singing, like just my example, I used to go for carol singing, but now like the younger ones who are in the house, they don't go, meaning it's not it's not like passed on like in a good way. So I wouldn't appreciate that, meaning it's not that good. But here I really like that. So tomorrow is also going to be a good day. I hope you all have liked the video till here. So it's going to be this much for this video. I'll edit this video and I'll upload it today only, because afterwards there's no that impact for Sonjao. But now if I do it since tomorrow is Sonjao, it will be good. So I'll just upload it today only. Till then, see you all in the next video. Bye.